No. Don't, Simon.
G'day everyone and welcome to another episode of Cook More with Simon, the show that wants you to use your kitchen and have fun doing it. Today we're going to be making something that has just blown the internet into a pile of smithereens. It's Dalgona coffee, but not as you know it. The internet will have you believe you must make Dalgona coffee with instant coffee. Wrong, wrong, and wrong again. You can make Dalgona coffee with espresso, and today we're going to do it, but we're going to do it with Bailey's. Now these are coffee pods, and you can't get this Bailey's flavoured coffee for espresso machines that is, you know, the licensed one, without getting it in the pod form. But you can actually pop them open and use what's inside in your espresso machine. Get your double shot group head, and then you're going to basically just get your thumb, use your thumbnail and slice around the rim so you get your little coffee grounds exposed, and just empty them out into your group head. Now obviously 4 is a little too much, but at the same time it kind of gives you a really good result because you get a nice thick creamer on top, and you just want to tamper that down with your 3 pounds of pressure, or I think it's 3 pounds of pressure. How's the pressure? Boom. That's ready to go, step 1. Step 2, make sure you've got all of your things ready, your prep. You could just use a normal whisk, but an electric whisk or electric beaters are really, really helpful. 2 tablespoons of caster sugar. Caster sugar is really good for this because they're small granules and they dissolve really easy. And then you've got this lovely Kahlua here, which you'll put a shot in because this is the adults only version of Dalgona coffee. It's the one that's gonna kickstart your morning and also make you want to relax at the same time. You just need a little bit of milk as well. We love A2 milk, rock and roll, and a double coated Tim-tam. I'll show you how all this comes together in a little bit. But let's do it. Let's get to making this thing and showing you just how delicious and wonderful and quick and easy it is. Let's do it. Oh, that dog of mine. Boom. Now a lot of people ask the question, do you need sugar in order to make Dalgona coffee? Yes. The sugar basically creates a chemical reaction with the foam, and that's what keeps it nice and foamy. Now we're going to pour that into our bowl, your sugar. And now whisk. So now at the end of that, you can see how it goes almost a nice, vibrant, kind of caramel latte sort of color. It's nice and thick as well. Look at the texture there. It's almost like a really soft meringue. Traditionally with Dalgona coffee, it's a glass with ice. Then you're gonna get your milk. Whoa, wait a second, Simon. Like, where is the Kahlua? But I reckon this is about a shot. Maybe a little bit more. And then you're gonna get your milk, and this here is enough for 2. So I'm gonna use half the mixture. You just get your Dalgona out and top your coffee with it, or top your milk mixture with it. And then the little extra tap of indulgence, you're basically going to get a Tim-tam and slice it nice and thin. Bada boom, bada bap. So there you have it. There's your Dalgona coffee, but with a difference. From your espresso machine using Bailey's pods and a shot of Kahlua just to make it mega indulgent. You throw that Tim-tam on top and you're all of a sudden in heaven. Stir them around. So good. It is so easy to do. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you at another time, and make sure you get into your kitchen and you cook more.